In April, my wallet was drained for 600 US dollars. I approved one ERC20 that looked completely fine, but there was a hidden honeypot that Block Explorer never flagged. I'm one human who made that mistake. Now picture an AI agent who is signing thousands of transactions per day and a lot of token approvals autonomously with no human in the loop. It's going to hit the same malicious endpoint. So Pharaoh's mainnet is 6 weeks old. The AI Carnival is about to push 150,000 pros towards agents that move value on chain. Every one of those agents will meet a Pharaoh's native token with zero third party security coverage. So GoPlus is the best token scanner there is. It covers 60 plus chains, but on Pharaohs it's blind. That's the gap, that's the rug waiting to happen. Pharaoh's Heaven is second opinion every agent runs before it signs in any transaction. It's an MCP HTTIO server, so Zord typed. Read only, it consumes zero gas fees, zero private keys, and it's free. There are four tools: a Go Plus scan across 60 chains, a native Ferris JSON RPC reader for the chains Go Plus can't see, a single aggregate risk score function entry point that returns safe or warn or block, and explain risk verdict that hands the agent a plain language recommendation it can act on. So you can drop it into Claude, Cursor, OpenAI, or Anvita Flow in one line. Now let me show you the demo. So in the first smoke test, there is real Go Plus call, real chain, and a clean token which is safe. Okay. Now on second, native Ferros read over JSON RPC. So the name, symbol, decimals, state of the chain it actually lives on. Okay. And the third, different chain, same one call and 60 chain breathe. Okay. The fourth, here's the gap. Ask Go Plus about a Ferris token. It returns unknown, blind. Okay. Now same token through Heaven, we surface a verdict. Go Plus blind. Heaven sees. This is the whole point. So when you ask an agent, it doesn't get raw JSON. It gets a plain language recommendation it can route on. Okay. So this isn't a dashboard or human stair set. It's a skill other agents will call, and it's a 25 line swap agent. It runs aggregate risk score before every approval and refusal. Anything that comes back block. In the second phase, I'm going to build the safe swap agent on Anvita Flow, earning reputation per safe swap. Settling in PROS, it feeds Go plus Pharaoh's honeypot signal back and add Certic as a second graph. So Heaven is a safe place for AI agent. The only skill that vets tokens on both Go plus 16 chains and native Pharaohs too. Okay, where anyone else is blind.